Silence on the beat.
This on my head, I can't seem to get the shit out. But damn, I'm addicted. Shawty got me feeling no cloud. I don't know how to be regular, so I can be basic. She don't know how to be regular, she ain't no basic. I've been out here thinking shit about my head. Damn it, I don't know if I control it. Baby got me thinking shit about my bed. I can't really take you as an opponent. I don't want no smoke with you. I don't want no smoke. I don't want no smoke with you. I don't want no smoke. I know this hurt again, but let's be friends. I can't pretend with you, cause I don't want no smoke with you. I don't want no smoke.
On the beat.
Damn, I know I got issues. Damn, I know I had to get it pimpin' too. But they say I moved though, usually I'm cool though. Damn, I know I had to get you. Yeah, I know I had too many damn issues. Now I ain't so confused, I don't know how to cool. I don't really wanna let this go. I don't really wanna let you go. This ain't how I play, but I had to lay ya. Had to say so, had to play it safe. This on my head, I can't seem to get this shit out. But damn, I feel jaded. Shawty got me feeling no cloud. I don't know how to be regular, so I can be basic. She don't know how to be regular, she ain't no basic. I've been out here thinking shit about my head. Damn it, I don't know if I control it. Baby got me thinking shit about my bed. I can't really take you as an opponent. I don't want no smoke with you. I don't want no smoke. I don't want no smoke with you. I don't want no smoke. I know this hurt again, but let's be friends. I can't pretend with you, cause I don't want no smoke with you. I don't want no smoke.
On the beat.
What is going on, everybody? How we doing? How we doing? How we feeling? How is life? Everybody that is here, make sure you drop the fire emoji. I just want to see who is tapping in for 2023. What is going on, everybody? How we feeling? Perfect. All right, guys. So, hold on. Hold on, everybody. Let me... Six dot. All right, guys. So I just there's a trade that I'm actually in currently right now. That I just got into, and that's this GJ trade that you guys see me currently in right now. This is my very first trade for this entire year. Actually, this is my very first trade since I went live last week. So I'm eager to see where I get this. All right, guys. So give me 1 second. All right, guys. I don't know why. There we go. So yeah, what's going on, everybody? How's it? I hope everybody had a wonderful holiday. Happy New Year to everybody, and happy holidays. I know a lot of people were trading yesterday. However, I wasn't trading. I said today I'm gonna be in full effect. I'm literally doing everything today, as far as checking some emails, getting some other stuff going. So I had a nice little break up until now. And today is the day where we officially going to start doing everything back to where we was at. For those that's new, these stats is from day one when I started my live stream, which was about now going 4 months ago. And I'm gonna keep it like that. I don't know, guys. I kind of wanted to see how y'all feel about me keeping these stats. I don't know, man. It hasn't been a full year, and I kind of think I want to keep these stats for a full year for me personally when we start in October. So we gotta start from October going all the way up for 12 months from then. So I feel like I want to keep these stats just up until a full year, so everybody will know, kind of like, and for me to know exactly where my overall, you could say, win ratio is. So you know what? As I'm talking out loud, that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna keep these stats up until a full year, right? From starting in October, going into yeah, basically October. Hold on, y'all. So that is pretty much where we at with this. All right. Now I want to say once again, Happy New Year's to everybody, and Happy New Year's once again to everybody. So yeah, right now I am in a trade. I took this trade. Let's see. I just took this trade not too long ago. We're gonna see where this one brings us and how it does. And then, yeah, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Let me see. Where is? These. Okay. All right, guys. So currently in GJ right now. Literally, like I just said a million times, I'm currently in GJ. Let me put notes because I know somebody's gonna ask me. Five 56.106. These are my two TP levels. I'm taking it to, which is the red lines. Here is my first TP. Here is my second TP. You guys see, this is my account. If it wants to show, there we go. Currently in the two trades right now. I gotta actually move my stop loss to TP2 with the other trade, but that's where I'm at. By the way, guys, this account is at 20K. I have not, like I said, I have not traded. I stopped officially trading the day I told you guys that I was done streaming on YouTube for 2022. So I am live in effect. This is my very first trade since last week. And yeah, I haven't been doing any crazy trading because this account grew very rapidly. And I'm going to continue to grow this account. I also did say last time we went live, I will be doing a $10,000 what is it, $10,000 account growth. But I'm gonna be using this account still, and I'm gonna be doing copy trading with my other account. So whatever I trade on this account will be copied into my other account, and that's kind of what I want to do. I want to focus on 2 accounts right now. I don't never like to put my eggs in one basket, guys. For those that's asking why you're doing another account, just stay with this account. I never like put my eggs in one basket. And then 2, I just want to prove to myself that I can still be consistent, right? So I'm gonna be doing, like I said, I'm gonna be doing another challenge for myself. It's not necessarily a challenge, just me growing a $10,000 account slowly, as I did this $4,000 account. For those that's wondering, I grew this $4,000 account same exact way. I'm gonna do the $10,000 account. Follow my rules, be very disciplined, and handle my mental to the T. That is literally all it takes to be a successful trader, believe it or not. And that being said, guys, in 2023, I want everybody to stop watching these damn videos on the best strategy for 2023. Because I'm telling you guys, every fucking year you're going to be doing the same exact thing. Watch a video on proper risk management and watch a video on how to handle your discipline or how to handle psychology. Stop watching these same videos. Obviously, y'all keep watching the same videos and y'all getting the same results. Should tell you everything you need to know right there. Literally. So understand that it's not the actual necessarily strategy. It is the way you handle your mental. All right. So currently in this GJ trade, we're going to see how this one plays out. This one is going to be very interesting. I was looking at NASDAQ. I'm kind of confused right now with a lot of this stuff. Because I'm trying to figure this out. So I'm still looking on dollar to actually head down to some of these levels here. Like this right here is my mid. This is my extreme from this whole entire range here. So I do expect dollar to actually still head down. And then 2, seeing that dollar needs to finish heading down kind of tells me that gold is going to be going up. I was looking to buy gold, but unfortunately, I did not see an opportunity for me to buy into gold except for here. But when I got in the market, this was already like, yeah, I missed out on this. I just missed out on this. I really just missed out on that one. But anyway, looking at NASDAQ, I do expect it to head up. However, it's already going up. NASDAQ is very weird. Yeah, NASDAQ is going very weird. So I'm trying to figure out what's really going on with NASDAQ. Let's see. Quick question for anyone. All right. Let's see. Yeah, if dollar's still heading down, NASDAQ's got to possibly be going up. And it's already going up, guys. So that's how I see it. It's like already going up. At this point, what I'm looking at is I see this range from here to here. If I wanted to, I can definitely consider these levels as some point of interest, target points for me. This one is kind of interesting because, let me remove this for a second. It's throwing me off. Because get this out too. Because I don't know if we can still head further down to some of these levels here. So I gotta really see. GJ is heading up. It looks like it might want to come to my SL. Guys, one thing that I say all the time is when you see a trade doing something like this, just let it come to your stop loss. I promise you, a lot of people see these little moves and they instantly get scared. They be like, oh my gosh, it's going up. Hey, it's going up. I'm gonna get out. You know what? I think I'm gonna get out. I did that twice, and I promise you, the first time I did that, never hit my stop loss and it went in my favor. I think the second time it also happened the same way. So I tell everybody, you got to know your bias before you get in the trade. You got to be 100% locked in that. So for me, I'm locked in it. I know a lot of people will be nervous the moment it goes 10 pips out their way. I feel you. I used to be the same way, but I'm trying to tell everybody, please stop that. Please, because I'm telling you, it's literally, man, it's something about that, guys. It's just that you are literally trying to stay focused on what you already should know before getting a trade. Right? If we stop, we get stopped out. It's that simple. It's literally that simple. Cause I'm telling you, the moment that y'all get out of a trade early, when it doesn't even come to your stop loss, it tells me the exact same thing you're gonna do when it comes to like a TP or whatever. So I want you guys to understand that, man. Y'all gotta stop doing that. I used to do that, but I'm telling you guys, me understanding that I need to just stay with the trade is definitely gonna have a big difference in your trading career. Don't marry the trade. I'm not saying marry the trade. Marry the trade is when you just let it hit your stop loss, but you still want to ride it. Just let it hit your stop loss and leave it alone. Now for TP is different. I actually do exit the TP a little early because a lot of brokers, what happens is the TP will actually smash, but it will never take it out. And they usually say because of spreads or whatever. But I usually take it out once I get close to my TP. But never stop loss. As y'all see, look, gold is heading up. That is because dollar is dropping. Like I said, I'm looking on dollar to come down to these levels, y'all. So the gold is going to be going up for sure. But I will tell you, I know a lot of y'all in here and y'all saying the bot called out a lot of sell signals. It called out another sell too. I do see it going down. However, let's just be a little patient though. Oh wait, no. This is looking at GJ. So with GU, sorry. Same exact thing with GU. I don't see it coming this far up, honestly, but y'all see this little area right here? I'm gonna put an alert. You know what? I don't need to put an alert because it already came in our area. I just want to see what happens from here. Why do I mostly trade yen? I don't know. I just like yen pairs. My top 3 pairs is NASDAQ gold and GJ. Those are literally my top 3 pairs. Is this so before you show your trade, you had no stop loss edit? I don't have it added here, but I do have it on my trading view. The reason why I don't do that is because for just because a lot of times brokers like to manipulate things. So I have it visually, of course, and once I see it hits my stop loss on my trading view, that's when I'll just exit out. But if I'm away from my computer, I always have to add my my stop loss. Always. Your spreads are high. Yeah, spreads might be really ridiculously high right now because of just usually because of New Year's and everything like that. By the way, guys, tomorrow we do have some news going on. So we got formatic news at 1 o'clock. So this will be pretty interesting to see what we got going on. This will be pretty interesting to see what we got going on for news tomorrow. We got formatic news tomorrow. That's what I like to call it, guys. I'll call it that. But we also have some other light news going on tomorrow. Not light, sorry, definitely not light. But we do have news going on tomorrow at 9 a.m. as well. So, you know, that being said, just gotta wait to see. Just gotta wait to see for those news tomorrow. Man, I wish I would have got in this gold trade. I just I tapped in the market a little bit late. I definitely tapped in the market a little late. Man. I'm using Henko trade. Yeah, I'm using Henko trade. I personally love it. Low spreads to no spreads, raw spreads. Somebody said GJ's going against what to do. Man, I just said it earlier. Nothing. Do nothing. Let it come to the stop loss. Y'all killing me. I be saying it, but y'all don't be listening. Some of y'all do. Some of y'all don't. Let's see. Oh my God. What just happened with NASDAQ? It just did the craziest spike. Yep, we still dropping. We doing a nice drop. Let me see what GU's doing. Happy New Year's, Neil. All right, we going up. This is beautiful. If we do decide to come up here, this is beautiful. I'm looking on sell setups for sure. For GU. Let me see. I would love to catch a short up here. That's where I would love to see it. You said I used your trading style and it worked out for me. Dope. What is going on? Yeah, if we can get GU to come up here, that'd be cool. But even here is cool too. I just want to see momentum telling me that it's just strong. Will you stream always at this hour? Yeah, or 9:15 a.m. Central Time. Those are two time frames that I like to stream. I use Chart Prime Indicator to I use the Chart Prime Indicator. Now, if you guys haven't already heard about Chart Prime, definitely highly recommend you guys tapping in. But I do use Chart Prime. That link is in the description if you guys want to know more about it and learn more about it. But that is what I use as pretty much, like I said, guys, just something that you want to tap into. However, though, when I do trade, sometimes I don't like all the noise, so you will sometimes see me never really use it like that, to be honest. But it's there. So here is my stop loss. Once again, I got my stop loss here. We are in this consolidation. I ain't gonna lie, if we do hit my stop loss, I still see possible downwards move. The nice thing about this range is that we are in a midpoint and also in the extreme, which is from here to here and then here to here. So this is considered the midpoint, and this is my extreme off of the smaller range. So I'm really set for this reaction towards the downside with this trade. Possibly we could have got a better entry, but you know, for me, hey, this is when I had entered, and that's when I'm gonna hold it. You said by Russian, I took GU instead of GJ, but I'm currently in. Oh yeah, I did that one time, man. I accidentally caught out a trade, got in the other trade, and realized like, whoa, hold on, something ain't right. I did that before. That happened. Yeah, so if we come to my stop loss, I'm gonna definitely exit out these trades. But yeah, we'll see. So guys, once again, as you see, this is my account. We took this account and we grew this very rapidly. Within starting October, we started with 4,000, and then now we got the account up to honestly 40K, I would say, pretty much, because I did a withdrawal of 11K. It kind of just went from there. So yeah, for those that's asking what my risk is, I risk anywhere from 10 to 15%. So right now with this account or with these two trades, I am looking at roughly about 10 to 12, about 10%. If we want to round it off, about 10%. If the trade goes completely against me, it will be about 9% that I just risk total. Like I said, that's usually what I like to risk, and so forth. And that's just where I'm at with the trades. That's what I've been risking from day one with this account. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much what I got going on with this account. I still do that, but accidentally, like way when I was a new trader. Yeah, I know a lot of people do that. Have I ever traded options? No, I don't trade options. I don't trade options. I gotta keep my eye on this one, guys. GU is definitely still heading up, so that must mean I gotta check what yen is doing. Well, I mean, dollar's already dropping, so that kind of tells me a lot there. Let me tap into yen. Yen ain't doing much. Yeah, yen isn't doing much. What lot size I'm comfortable for 3 lots, trying to get into 5 lots mentally. 3 lots is comfortable, but I don't like to be in a comfortable state of mind, so I got to get uncomfortable, and that's one thing I want to do. 5 lots, but I still want to risk 10 to 15% though. Yeah, that NASDAQ, gosh, Lee. This one was a weird trade, a weird move. Oh, you said bank holiday? Bank holiday was yesterday. For yen, bank holiday was yesterday, not today. I do. I have a Offspring FX funded account. Don't really trade it as much. Yeah, guys, we coming close to this stop loss. I'm gonna go ahead and exit once it hits it. So Forex factor. Okay, hold on, cause I'm gonna have to. So I don't know. I'm confused, bro. I think, guys, like I said, yesterday was the news. I think you're talking about today. Today is not Monday. That was all day yesterday, right here. Today's Tuesday. It's the 3rd. So correct me if I'm wrong, but I do not see anything about bank holiday. So stop loss got hit. I'm out, and I'm gonna look for another entry. I'm still looking on GJ to head down though. Hold on, let me correct this one. Still looking on GJ to head down for sure. 24. Yeah, I'm definitely looking for another entry. To be honest with you, I really like this one that's about to possibly come. It is coming up. Wow, that's what's up. Dollar's still dropping though, guys. As y'all see, this is what I want to see. Dollar's dropping down towards the extreme and also the midpoint. Well, it's passing the midpoint, but it's coming more to the extreme. Yes, I am aware that the calculator is not working. You just close the stream. Yeah, I know GU is getting ready. Somebody said you blew my account. I don't know how I blew somebody's account. I'm not a financial advisor. Sound like somebody had over risked their account. Number 1 in trading. Stop fucking over risking your account, especially if you're new. That is a shame. Yeah, that GJ trade is hitting. Yeah, the calculator, yeah, the develop team is literally trying to get it fixed now. All right, so we're gonna have to we're gonna have to look at this one again and differently. You said it's 10% gain per month easily. Yeah, 100%, 100%, 100%. Don't trade unless you know proper risk. Nah, that's a fact. All right, if we gonna keep the spam going, I'm gonna have to ban another person. Definitely got to ban people, guys, because I don't like that spam. What is going on? Foolproof. Did you start the 6K? No, I decided I'm gonna do 10K. I decided I'm gonna do 10K. Yeah, guys, I gotta stop this. I don't like this spam. And you are blocked. All right. Yeah, I started off. I'm gonna start the 10K. I'm gonna do a 10K account. But I'm gonna just reuse my 11K, keep $1,000 profit, and I'm gonna just put that into 10K. But yeah, guys, this is what we got going on. Like I said, those two L's was literally taken from that GJ trade. But of course it's all good. Let me see. What is? Oh, okay. But of course it's all good. So I'm looking at let me tapping into something else. Let's see. I'm looking at GU, but we gotta wait to see momentum. Definitely gotta wait to see momentum. Good morning, Steve. What's going on? Do I only trade live? Pretty much, but I do trade. I mean, not obviously YouTube alone, but I do trade off YouTube. I appreciate you for the super chat. IBBY, you said, do I have to use leverage to be profitable in Forex? So it depends on what. I don't know if you meaning like what leverage you need to set, but you have to use leverage. Yes, I do recommend anywhere from honestly 1 to 100 to 1 to 500 is cool. You know, that's for sure. My stop loss, I'm not in no trade right now. I'm just eyeing something. I'm not in anything. I'm just looking. This yen trade, these yen trades, it's still consolidating, man. Well, the euro yen is consolidating. Dang, y'all. Look at NASDAQ. It is spiking up and spiking down. Dollar had tapped my midpoint, which is beautiful. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, 100% honest with y'all. There is not enough momentum to move dollar. If somebody was to say, "Oh, dollar's about to go up now," there's not. Compare this with all of this. You need a lot. So I promise you, this is probably what's gonna happen. We're gonna see dollar go up, try to create that momentum, but it's still not gonna be a lot of momentum. So it has to come back down to give more buying pressure. And then we're going to look for that move to head right back up. So almost like I say, double bottoms. This is exactly where you should start seeing double bottoms and all that stuff. Literally. Y'all asking if I'm in a GJ trade. No, I'm not in a GJ trade. I know it's going down, but that don't mean I'm still in it. I got out of it. I need more momentum, man. Now after seeing all of this right here, I need a lot more momentum. I need a lot of momentum. A lot more momentum. Yeah, rest in peace to somebody that didn't move their stop loss, if anything, or congratulations to somebody for making money. I want to catch this NASDAQ trade, but I don't know what we got going on right now. Besides, it's going up and it's going down. So solo VIP is lit. Yeah. Got a lot of stuff going on in there. Oh man. Hold on. All right, Nas buy. I gotta see more momentum. This right here is so strong. I ain't buying nothing. I am not buying nothing. Waiting to see if I get GJ to head up, bounce back, and give me some selling power. Have I thought about trading crypto? I used to trade crypto faithfully, but I stopped that. I feel like the market's got to do so much resetting for some peers just because of what had happened within the holidays. But now seeing that the momentum just kicked in, kind of just definitely did a lot. Gold definitely is going to the moon. I don't really see too much crazy dope setups. Besides that, I don't really see anything. Gold is heading up. If I want to buy gold, I need to see a drop and then possibly come back up. But I'm looking at dollar. Like I said, I do see dollar now starting to head up. I just need to see a lot more momentum with dollar. For those that's new, I do literally faithfully use dollar as my cheat code for a lot of pairs, since I do trade a lot of dollar pairs. So like gold, NASDAQ, and well, GJ is something different, but those two, gold and NASDAQ. So I do like to faithfully pay attention to dollar, as that is literally my cheat code to figuring out what is going on with everything else. Never heard of that broker before. Let's see. GJ's heading down. Euro yen ain't doing much right now. It's in consolidation right now, in my opinion. It wasn't too much consolidation. I'm looking on a bigger scale. I see that it's tapping in this extreme here. Oh, I can't see it. Extreme here. However, I do see it heading down more towards these levels down here, but yeah. You added 2+ on 1L you had. Oh, did I? So wait, hold on. I did say it, we were at 19 L's and I put, oh, we were at 18 L's and I put 20, did I? Please somebody tell me, because I'm very confused now. I'm just realizing that. Hold on, I'm actually about to, hold up. I'm about to know right now. Oh, we were. All right. Damn. I appreciate you for letting me, for spotting that out. Yeah, we are definitely at 19. I appreciate you for letting me know that. And then I got to put today's trades. I didn't do that. It's 19. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, guys, December was the month of the L's. For me, it was the month of the L's. This is like where a lot of people say they don't like trading December, but it's another bank holiday, and I still look at it as it's all mental, man. When you really think about it, it's really all mental. But yeah, December is where we took a lot of the L's for sure. But like I said, man, I'm not a big fan of the new year, new me shit. Honestly, guys, that's kind of like, just fucking start your resolution now and don't wait, because I feel like you still playing this game of, oh, I'm hesitating or whatever. But in my opinion, man, I just say this, guys. At the end of the day, make sure you're consistent. You guys seen we've been very consistent from day one. I mean, y'all obviously see the overall win ratio is like 75% right now or something like that. I don't know. And y'all, if for anybody's been tapped in from day one that we went live, y'all literally seen this account grow. If anybody's been tapped in from day one and also been tapped in on my VIP section, y'all really been seeing what's going on with this account. Because I literally took all the trades from live streams, from YouTube, from VIP, and trades I called out. So I'm good. You know what I'm saying? And consistency matters. And how you stay consistent is based off you following your rules, your risk, and everything. Guys, a lot of people don't understand this, but if I take 2 losing trades, so right now we just took 1 trade. If we find another trade and it was to be an L, I'm done for the day. That is my rule. We literally had that happen twice in December, and I was like, all right, guys, we're done. I don't know if any of y'all recall that or remember that, but I was like, 2 L's, I'm done for trading. I noticed a lot of people still take multiple trades, and they don't even have that rule. I think you need to have everything implemented in your trading plan. Like, all right, if I take, my rule should be risking this amount, or if I risk too much, I'm done for the day, whatever it is, guys. I just feel like y'all need to have those rules in y'all trading plan. Don't believe me, I'm still looking at GJ to go down though. Like, I'm not holding this one back. I might look for another entry. I don't get scared if it stopped me out and I'm like, oh no, forget this. I'm gonna get in, but I need it to pull back again. It's gotta pull back. A retake. I already said that before. I think you asked that question. I already had said it before. I'm comfortable with 3 lots, but I'm looking to do 5 lots, just mentally to set myself up. My stop loss is based off a lot of factors. I don't have a idea of what my stop loss is. To be honest, I go based off my risk. I did not re-enter in GJ. No. This is a bad position for me right now. Bad position for me. Because to be honest with you, we about to do a whole liquidity phase, and I swear I need one of those to happen right now. But right here, this is all liquidity right now that's about to actually be made. So excuse me. So we about to see what happens. On a smaller scale though, we did take liquidity highs out. So I'm just not realizing that. And usually when we do that, that tells me that long term and a short term, if that makes sense, we're going to be heading up after it takes these lows out. So I think my whole bias has to shift. I don't know. We got to see. And then also, I'm looking here. We just took out these liquidity lows here. Let me move that down. So this is interesting to see. I just know on a smaller scale, I mean on a higher scale, I gotta remove some of this because there's too much noise going on. I mean, on a higher scale, guys, it's going down, and that's really what we gotta focus on. It is going down. We did tap into this mid and extreme here, but y'all know me, I scalp, and I mean I scout. I literally scout, man. And I'm telling y'all, a lot of people would be like, oh, why you selling or why you buying it when we should sell it? But I'm telling y'all, I am a scalper, right? Y'all see 30 seconds. We haven't did a 30 second in a minute. I'm trying to, honestly, guys, I'm trying to readjust in the markets because I literally like closed my mind from trading for literally almost a whole week. And it's like, damn, I almost forgot how to trade. Literally almost forgot how to trade. I was actually looking at the market yesterday. I was like, damn, what the hell? I forgot how to trade almost. So yeah, so I'm trying to get back. I literally shut my mind off. Like that part went off in my brain. Like everything from trading just went off. It's crazy. Super profit trade on gold. It be like that sometimes, for sure, man. NASDAQ is going crazy. Gold is dropping just like I want to see that. Dollar's going up, but I'm telling you guys, it's crazy how gold is strong, but dollar is still weak as far as buying. Neil, nah, it's a mental thing, man. It's literally a mental thing. That's all it is. GU, I need way more selling power pressure than this, guys. I'm comparing all of this with this, and I'm telling you, this is not enough. It's not enough. All right, guys. Yeah, I'm starting to see some buys. A lot of you guys will call this a change of character right here. A lot of you guys will see this as wave 1 going into wave 2. A lot of you guys will see this as an A, possibly B, and then a C. So many ways to look at the market. How I see it is, I see it as Elliott wave, Fibonacci, and my range that I always talk about. Here's my extreme, midpoint, really my extreme, sorry. I am looking on buys now for yen. Let me double check yen real fast, actually. Oh, there we go. That's some momentum. Because yen was being a little whack right now, like as you guys see here. Still a little whack, but if yen wants to drop like how it is now, that's perfect. That's what we want. That is what we want, y'all. So yeah. GJ did the whole liquidity phase. He just took these lows out right here. It's crazy though, man. We're building new lows still. I hate when market wants to do this. We took the highs out. We didn't necessarily take the lows out yet. So I don't know with GJ, man. I also see this as a leading diagonal as well. But I'm gonna wait with GJ. How many confirmations, confluences do you take? I look at 3 total. That's market structure, price action, momentum, and all of that stuff. Whack off. When I talk about liquidity phase, I am literally referring to whack off. Just dumbed down. And I look at whack off. I actually do look at whack off, but sometimes I look at it as liquidity phases. So whack off, I take 3 confirmations from this whole list that I'm about to tell you guys right now. I look at diagonal patterns, which is a part of Elliott wave, or market structure, break of market structure, or price action pattern. Let me be specific. And or momentum, like candlestick patterns, multiple candlestick patterns, wick rejections, and all that stuff, or whack off if I haven't said that, and then Fibonacci, and then Elliott wave as far as the entire what I like to call 5-wave cycle. So I got about 6 to 7. I know a lot of y'all might be like, damn, that's too much. All I do is take 3 out of those. And then it's crazy the way that I trade. I keep it very fucking simple, guys. For those that's been following me, you guys know my trading strategy is very simple. I look at this right here. I look at the most recent range. Looking at the most recent range tells me that there's always 5 cycles in a range. For those that don't know, I used to talk about Elliott wave a lot. So inside of the range, you always will have a midpoint and an extreme. I'm about to break down how everything comes together into one, guys. For those that into the smart money concept, or into this whole breakout retest, it's all the same shit. The market's gonna move the same way. So I'm gonna break that down a little bit. How everything can literally be the exact same. It's just how you analyze it. So the midpoint, the reason why I say midpoint is because for anybody that's familiar with true supply demand values, that basically means when market is too expensive, it has to balance out. It's just like you being put, you're trying to equal yourself out. You need to balance that. So in order for you to balance something, you have to be 50% or come close to half for this person to like it and that person to like it. That's the balance. So the balance is always going to be about 50% inside that most recent range. That's the most recent data, meaning that if this was a low, it broke through, this becomes the beginning of the range. If there was a low, here, this becomes the end of the range once it breaks through. Equilibrium, exactly. So market will always come in a balance because it's too expensive. People can't afford it. So the supply is high. They need to decrease that to get the demand high. So how they do that? They mark down the price. This is where whack off now comes in. Mark down the price, whack off right there. So now you tapped into the midpoint. Usually the midpoint kind of justify that, all right, we're going to go back up. And that's when you start seeing momentum. That's when you start seeing wick rejections, double bottoms, candlestick patterns. However y'all want to look at it, that is exactly what's going on. Sometimes it might come further down to the extreme because it was just still too expensive and the demand is high. All right, so now let me talk about how this makes sense in somebody else's eyes that trades something else. If you are an Elliott wave trader like myself, you can consider this to be what you call 5-wave cycle. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After 5 waves incomplete, you get a big ABC pattern or a correctional pattern or a complex pattern. And usually sometimes that complex pattern will be something like a flat, which looks like this, or something like a zigzag, which goes like this, or something like a triangle, which be more patterns. And that's what it is. That's usually what it is. Now, if you trade smart money concept, you might call this mitigation, order blocks. You might call this POI, like I call it. You might call it area of interest. When you look at whack off, it can be the exact same form. Inside of here, you get a whole whack off play, and then you can take your buys. Also, if you look on the bigger picture, this could be something called reaccumulation. So it's all the same stuff. And also for anybody that trades like breakouts or continuations, this is where you do an A, B, C pattern. This is where you call your basically rally. You call this your retracement and then your continuation. It's all the same. But I look at it very simple. I like to simplify my trading, and that's how I trade. So right now, what you guys see with GJ, I see that we made equal lows. For a lot of people, y'all don't understand how I look at it. I don't look at it as support and resistance. I like to look at it a little differently, but I see that we broke the highs first, which told me that we're going to be going up long term. Just need to see the lows be tapped first or break before we actually go up. If you know everything, how would you should be wrong with GJ trade? Well, simple. I don't know everything. Who said I knew everything? I'm just telling you that I know a lot of information. If I knew everything, I would be fucking driving. I would have 20 Lamborghinis right now. We all would have 20 Lamborghinis. I would have no losing. I would just, yeah. I don't know how to say. I don't understand what he's trying to say. I think you, bro. I think you still mad about your trade. I think you need to chill. Man, I'm sorry, guys. I love streaming, man. This is the funniest shit ever. I got a rebuttal for everything. I'm sorry, regardless if it's something I should or shouldn't say. No, I don't. I can't ignore it. I love it. We all know, man. No, we all know drama is what keeps people entertained. Unfortunately, but I love it. I don't mind it. I'm trying to tell you, I don't mind it. I really don't. I'm sorry, I don't mind it. Happy New Year's. Happy New Year's. Happy New Year's. I'm just a different I'm a different trader, man. I'm a different streamer. All right. I'm gonna say something back. I'm gonna say something back. I just got to. That's what makes me different, because that's just who I am. But anywho, yeah, guys. So I'm still waiting on this GJ trade. Still waiting on this GJ trade. If there's anything to trade with GJ. The thing about the liquidity, you said, but the liquidity broke off. The thing about the liquidity is that I don't really necessarily know, because it didn't really take these lows out. If I was to look at it like as far as this, it still necessarily didn't really take the lows out. When I always talk about liquidity phase or liquidities being taken, it has to actually be aggressive. So something about this trade is fishy, and I know it is. I just don't know what it is, but something about this trade is fishy. Something about this trade is fishy, and I'm just going to patiently wait to see what happens. Because I feel like it's going to come up and then come back down. Guys, by the way, if y'all didn't know, this is basically a redistribution that's happening right now. This looks like the UT, and we looks like we about to get a UTAD. And then we're going to get the PSY, which is point of supply, or you guys call it however you want to call it. Last point of supply. Last point of support. I know a lot of people go that way too, but either way it goes, I see that, and then I see it coming down, taking these lows out, coming to some of these levels here, and then heading up. That's literally how I see it, because I just see these equal lows here, and I know they want this money right now. It's a lot of little money right there. They want it, so they gonna come to it. They just gotta they just gotta fake everybody out right now, and that's what's happening. So this is a whack off in progress right now as we speak, literally. So that's why I'm saying this one is iffy, and I know something's off about it, and that's what I see now. Where can I apply the one of your monitors I have experience? You can DM me on Discord. By the way, if y'all not on the Discord, y'all can join the Discord for free. Yeah, I see Euro USD the bot keeps telling us sell. Well, we got a sell coming with GBPJPY too. Trading chances of Forex getting banned in the future. I don't see why Forex will get banned. I don't see that not happening at all. If anything, it would be I don't see that. I really don't see that at all. I don't know. I don't see that. I seen somebody else mention that. I don't know where y'all getting that info from. Anything crypto would be, I feel like crypto would be more banned than Forex for sure, to be honest with you. All right, so looking at this, I know a lot of traders will say, oh, I'm about to sell right now, but I'm telling y'all, don't really see that. I do see it coming back up, creating more momentum up here, letting us know that the sellers are exhausted by getting wick rejections, maybe dojis and all that stuff. That's what I'm looking for to sell. Yeah, the only way Forex will be done is literally if we stop trading currencies. So if we all go to crypto, then yeah, no more Forex for anybody. I am in the US, yes. Yes, Forex is literally the cornerstone of the world financial markets. As I'm saying, if anything, it would be crypto that would be banned. Forex will stay strong because it's a foreign exchange market. Unless US specifically ban leverage trading, that's different. Now, if you're talking, because a lot of people get Forex confused with leverage trading. Unless US, I don't know. I feel like US like to do a lot of weird stuff. Like they try to stop us from a lot. Like I don't even think we can trade binary options out in the US. I think they banned that or something like that. I don't know. I might be wrong, guys. I'm just talking right now. But I know US like to have full control over everything, so yeah. You said dollar. What is dollar? Yeah, okay. Dollar's doing exactly what I was saying that we definitely want to see it do. It's creating this strong momentum, but that looks good and promising, but I still need to see the pullback, and then I'm looking for that move up, which tells me dollar needs to drop a little bit more, so I know gold needs to go up. Oh, yeah, well, we got a lot of momentum. I'm gonna keep my eyes open on gold, guys. I want to see the momentum. By the way, guys, for those that's asking, or if not wondering, what is these little animal signs? This is part of Chart Prime. I do recommend, if you guys have Chart Prime or don't have it, you can check it out. But here's the thing about Chart Prime. Here's this indicator. It's called the candlestick patterns. For those that don't understand momentum, I would suggest you guys to get this and have this on your chart. The more you see the candlestick pattern prints for bearish candles or showing that the bearish market is strong, that's telling you that the momentum is there now. So because I know a lot of people ask me, how do you look at momentum? I don't look at it this way, but I do teach it to a lot of my students that's new, just to start off. I say, man, do you know anything about candlestick patterns? And I know a lot of you guys do. I say, don't look for just one candlestick pattern, especially if it's this strong. Try to look for 3. If you see 3 ranges inside of this whole range, look for 3 candlestick patterns. And we do have 3 ranges. This is one range right here. This is another range, and this is another range. So when I'm giving you guys literally, I promise you, I charge a premium price for what I'm about to say right now. If you see 3 ranges inside of a big range, technically you got 4 ranges total. Try to look for 3 candlestick patterns in this most recent zone right here that is happening now. So if you can find about, and sometimes the candlestick, you can change it to show more, of course, but if you can at least find 3 candlestick patterns inside this range, that's telling you now the momentum is strong. But you got to find bullish candlesticks. So like engulfing candles, at least 3. Or I know a lot of you guys are familiar with a lot of candlestick patterns more than I am. I don't even care to really pay attention to that. But I'm telling you guys that little thing right there, I promise you, if y'all do that, yes, 100%, you will know when to enter in the market. That is literally my cheat code that I do when I enter in the market. I promise you. So try that, guys. Try that out, and just let me know if that works. I just want to see if anybody will use what I said and see if that will help out, because I know a lot of people still don't understand momentum. You said GJ. Yeah, it's going. Wait, is this it? GJ is going. Yeah, it's going. Like I said, this is the UT right here, and this is the UTED that's printing out right now. Literally, that's exactly what's going on, guys. It's going to come down. I'm just waiting. Of course, obviously, everything comes down, but just now, right now, it's not the time. Thanks. No problem. No problem. Good morning, Monique. I'm just waiting. I have not seen a liquidity phase happen. Oh, you know what? Speaking of we have it right here. This is beautiful. This right here is perfect. I love this. I love seeing this. So Euro Yen just literally printed out. Oh, it just did a whole liquidity phase. We have equal lows and equal highs. I talk about this a lot. Knowing that we took the lows out first and we took the highs out tells me that we're going to drop now. And this makes sense for GJ because I'm looking for that drop soon. So that being said, I'm looking for some sales now for Euro Yen. I love when I see liquidity phases because it puts me in this position of knowing what's going on. Also, when I talk about liquidity phases, we did tap into an extreme and a midpoint. So this is beautiful right now. So I am literally going to possibly see some entries. Not yet though. I want to see more reaction for sure. You know what? This year, Monique, this year I had told myself I'm going to be so focused on the charts. I'm not even going to be like paying attention to my likes. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely need y'all to go ahead and like the video though for sure. But this year I had told myself I'm really like focused right now. Cause man, y'all don't understand. I did set a goal for myself. Like I want to have my own 100K account this year. I promise you that's where I'm going. I tell myself this every day. I don't care what anybody says, but 100K. Seeing what I did in 3 months live off of this right here just literally gave me the utmost motivation to have my account hit 100K, and I'm going to be trading a 100K account. I'm literally going to be trading a 100K account. That's my goal for this year. Right now we got 18K in this account. Technically, we got it to 40K if we take the 11K and put it back in the account, because I did withdraw 11K. But guys, I'm only 60K left to get a 100K account off this account right here. And a lot of people are like, damn, that's a lot. But to me, I don't look at it like that. I don't look at it like that. I started with 4,000, bro, and I'm like I told everybody, I'm wanted to do a $10,000 account, but I'm gonna be trading this account too, because I don't like to put my eggs in one basket. That's just how I am, because we all know shit can happen with anything, right? So when people ask me why you don't put it in, well, that's the reason why, because something can happen with one broker or something can happen with one account. And yeah, I remember one time I had an account with Traders Way, and somebody hacked my account and I couldn't get in it. Luckily, I ain't had no money because this was my first year trading. So I never, it was like whatever. But that right there told me I'm not going to put my eggs in one basket. So I like to have multiple accounts. And this is why I appreciate everybody that told me one of the social traders is who I'm going to go with. Appreciate y'all for telling me what copy trader platform is good. And that's what I'm going to do. But like I said, 100K is my goal. And I hope you guys have goals too. And definitely make sure you meet them goals, because that's for sure. I'm talking about personal account, not funded account. Fuck a funded account. Fuck a 100K funded account. I'm sorry, but I'm working on a personal account. Technically, a 100K funded account is $10,000. I got that. I got 200K account if I really want to risk my whole entire account right now, and it's personal. I could do however I want. This is why I don't really care for funded accounts. I have a funded account. I really barely trade it. That's why it's super small. But I did tell myself I do want to get one just to show you guys how I risk. That one is completely different. Man, Traders Way didn't. This was 5 years ago. Traders Way. I don't think Trader Ways probably did have the what is it? The 2FA. But I didn't know nothing about that. This was like my first year trading. All right, guys. I got my eyes on Euro Yen for some sales now. We did a whole liquidity phase. I'm looking for sales soon. Music is acting strange. Is it staticky again right now? Like, is it staticky at this very moment? Is it still staticky, guys? Let me know. I feel like every time that song plays, it gets staticky. It messes up my stuff. Alright. I don't know why it does that. Alright, what about now? We should be good now. It's like every time I play that song, it just throws it off. Is it still staticky now? Okay, we good now. We good. All right, cool. All right. I got my eyes now open on all the yen pairs for sales. All right, guys. I know I'm not saying I'm not gonna care for the likes too much, but we got a lot of y'all tapped in, so I definitely would appreciate if everybody can show appreciation. Like I said, that definitely motivates me still to go strong for my streams, because I don't have to stream at all, but I just know, like, hey, if I maybe stream, I obviously could do a lot more. So I do want everybody to do me one huge favor to show appreciation. So I need everybody to go ahead and like this video. Let's go ahead and get these likes up. I need everybody here to literally bloop, 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 bloop. Hit that like button. Hit the like button. I know a lot of you guys are here to learn and to see me maybe blow an account because you want to just see that happen, or maybe you want to see me actually achieve. I don't know. But at the end of the day, all I say is everybody go ahead and like the video, show some appreciation, and let's just go ahead and have fun today. Like I said, guys, I'm looking at the GU trade in a euro. No, the GU, not GU, GJ and euro yen. Looking at all yens to literally sell off, because like I said, I do see the whack off happening. So that's literally what I'm looking at now, guys. By the way, notice how the chart prime printed out two indicators, right? Now, if we were to look at the previous momentum, we got a lot going on. But this is where I'm saying you guys want to look for multiple candlestick patterns, right? That kind of lets you know that multiple bearish candlestick patterns. That will let you know that the momentum's strong now. Let's sell it. How much profit did I make when overall? Total profit that I made on this account was 26K. And we started in October. Started October 18th. That's when I started live, in October as well. I think I started October 19th though. Yes. I'm not even gonna, you know what? I wanted to, somebody had said, oh, show me that is a, I did, and then when I did that, I realized I showed my account number, and then somebody tried to hack into my account, so I'm not doing that again. No, not doing that again. Not doing that again. Once again, guys, if you are new, make sure you are tapped in into the streams by subscribing. And of course, guys, I have a free section on the Discord. I'm gonna be honest with you, actually. I'm gonna show you guys what it is going on in Discord so y'all are aware of what to see. So in the Discord, even in the free section, guys, hold on, let me show you what you would get in the free section. Server roles, and we're gonna choose free member, and we're gonna do, all right, guys. So if you were in the community, like I said, this is the free section. Guess what? We have a lot of great stuff going on here. This is where everybody chats and talks. Here is where we actually have a lot of our educational traders. We do have educational traders. They post their signals here. They post what they're getting into, and a lot of them definitely smash TP. So I know a lot of you guys are already here, and y'all know a lot of our educational members now. So definitely make sure you guys tap in if you haven't already. And then in VIP, we do a lot more as well. We go live on Wednesdays. Now we're going to be going live back on Wednesdays, Sundays, and everything like that. This is a great enough work. You don't have to prove anything to people. Yeah, you're right. I know, and I'm kind of ashamed that I had went that route. Like, I'm very raw to myself. Like, sometimes I'll do that, but I'm like, fuck, why did I do that? Like, these live streams already is enough proof. Literally, you know what I'm saying? Live streams already enough proof. With the stats y'all see, from me losing the L, taking the L, how I handle it, from me taking W's, from me literally saying, hey guys, this is why I got in this trade. It smashed TP. Already proves it all right there, regardless of whatever I'm doing with an account. Because I feel like there's still a lot of pressure on me, even if I'm still going live, because I see a lot. 700 people is watching me right now. You know what I'm saying? So no matter if I got a funded account, fake account, real account, small account, big account, so it's really nothing different if I'm literally here doing this live. What do you think about Euro USD? I'm looking on downwards move for everything now, because dollar is going to be going up. Now I'm starting to see the momentum for the yens to sell. I don't see the momentum yet with this, but I am starting to see it with this right here. I need more momentum though. I like to, by the way, for those that's asking, I like to enter off the 2 minute, 1 minute, and 30 seconds. The 2 minutes is really my favorite. 30 seconds I like too, but the 2 minutes been my favorite the most part. Yeah, what's going on, King O'Neil? Yeah, if you Offspring FX is another option too. If you can't trade Henko trade in UK, I do use Offspring FX too. I would be trading gold right now too, but I just, yeah, I didn't catch anything, man. NASDAQ is dropping. Dang, somebody said they brought NASDAQ. I don't know. Hopefully y'all got out that trade. Or y'all took profit. I would have took profit right here. Some profit right here. This is why I like to add multiple TPs. NASDAQ is going to do the same as what dollar's doing, opposite. Actually, I don't know if I said that right. Also, I know a lot of you guys are familiar with the fair value gap and balance and all that. Be honest with you. If you were to have a smaller time frame, you would have noted that right there, that little move right there. A lot of y'all could see this as an order block. I just see this as a point of interest. Now, for those that trade fair value gaps, you would literally see this as a fair value gap here and here. But like I said, I like to be very detailed because inside of that fair value gap or in that gap, right, there's some sort of little order block that a lot of you guys are familiar with. I just call it a high or a low. And that is literally right there, 2 minute right there. And that's why I'm like, I'm looking for it to tap there. So if you do trade fair value gaps, you know, that's one way to look at it. That is one way that you can look at it. Can you explain that again? I'll explain it one more time. Yeah. So what I was saying is, I have a lot of traders here that trade a lot of ICT concepts that come from him and all of that stuff. I say that I'm not knocking. I'll never knock nobody off. So I don't want nobody to think that I'm knocking somebody off. I actually condone him a lot because he explains shit very simple for a lot of advanced traders. I know beginner traders probably won't understand a word he's saying, but he explains it very, very. There's a lot of YouTubers that I actually follow that I like, the way that they teach, and I study the way that they teach just so I can try to, yeah. Anyway, back to what I was saying. What I was saying with the fair value gaps is, I know a lot of traders trade fair value gaps, and a lot of times they will say, well, it comes 50% in the fair value gap. So like right here, you see 50% is here. Now, if you guys were to have smaller time frames like I do, a lot of times inside that fair value gap, there's a little order block. I know a lot of you guys know as an order block, so I'm gonna just say order block. There's always going to be like a little order block in there. 9 times out of 10 is actually going to hit that area in that fair value gap, and then it's going to react off that. So instead of me looking at it, just say, hey guys, I have this big ass fair value gap here. I can go in tighter and actually look more in details, and that's where this comes in, and that's where I got that from. And as you see, it reacted off that, or I was also, if it came past that, this was the next level that I was looking at right here, because this is all liquidity. Technically, guys, an order block, all of this is all liquidity. That's really what it is. Banks are going to come to it because it's money. They look at every high and every low as money. So that's why I'm like, it could technically come here and then boom. So right now it is going up, but I am still looking on it to come back down. But it is going up in the time being. I just like because of that little fair value gap jump. Oh man, I appreciate you for liking. Thank you. But I promise you guys, I was telling one of my homeboys, like, he was talking about, man, what fair value gap? I don't even, like, he was like, man, I want to go into fair value gaps, but I don't know, like, where in the fair value. I'm like, bro, you want to know something? If you got smaller time frame, if you seen a fair value gap like on a 15-minute, try to jump down 4 time frames lower. And I promise you, inside that fair value gap, there's going to be a liquidity resting in there. That is literally where they're actually going to come to. And that is that I'm referring to here. And I can show you guys more if I see more later down the road. We'll talk about it, you know, later down the road. But that's why I talk about point of interest all the time, because, you know, I like to simplify shit. So we're still going up. Looks like this is the only one that wants to give me something possible. Guys, by the way, y'all keep telling me to check gold. There's nothing going on. I'm not buying it because it already tapped here. Y'all know how I am when I trade. Y'all know how I am when I trade. I don't just trade it because it came to a POI level, or I don't trade it because it came to an order block. I need to see price telling me that they're actually in the market. Otherwise, I will be trading blindly, very blindly. By the way, guys, if you are new to my channel, please make sure you hit the like button. I need everybody to go ahead and do me one huge favor, hit the like button. And then most importantly, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on anything that I drop. because sometimes I will go on a rampage of liquidity phases. I'll do a whole little mentorship without me even knowing I'm doing it, but just because I genuinely like to just to show you guys that. Full time stream. I appreciate you for loving my streams. Thank you. What happened with GJ? Nothing happened. Just the L that we took earlier. But I'm looking on it to possibly go down. I'm just waiting, man. Patience is key with trading. Is trading your full time? Love your streams though. Yes, trading is my full time. You're scalping, right? Yes, I am. T Wills, yes. I only scalp. What is the most important part for a beginner? Man, I'm gonna tell you this, man. Please understand. You got to create your trading plan. You got to create your trading plan. You got to create your trading plan. Man, the calculator is going to be down for a bit because we're literally trying to change the servers, but we're trying to find a server that will allow us to use it. Scalping means scalp, like you're nitpicking the market. Just like if you were to scalp your scalp. If you were to pick your scalp. Yeah, man, you said you want to make about 20 euros a day? Absolutely. I remember when I first started trading, I just wanted to do $50 a day. Of course. Of course. I know, man. I have the worst analogies ever, man. If you don't know me by now, I have the worst analogies ever. It'd be the most dumbest, funniest shit random ever. People say if you scalp, you can't be profitable long term. Is that true? That's not true at all. That is not true at all. It would be the exact same thing you saying people that long term trade won't be profitable long term at all, or short term. That's not true at all. Scalping is the best. I actually started out, a lot of y'all don't know, I started off as a swing trader. I would say intraday trader, more intraday, not swing. I started off as an intraday trader. I liked it, but I just couldn't hold trades overnight. It was something about it for me I couldn't do. So I guess I just got introduced into scalping. I love it. The fact I love scalping is that I can get in, get out quick. All right, I got a million other things I do on a daily basis, and the fact is I can get in, get out quick. I think the reason with scalping is that a lot of people may look at scalping like they don't take as much time as they would if they were to swing trade, like look at a specific trade or look at a specific pair. But theoretically, I like to look at a trade or look at a pair just as anybody else that trades long term and truly analyze it and go off that. But the thing about scalping is it's more work than you got to do, for sure. That is for sure. You do have to put in more work. I would for sure have to say that. You have to put in more work because you got to look at more time frames. But guys, anyway, I am looking on dollar to head up. We've been in this whole little channel here. I know a lot of you guys might say this is a wedge, a diagonal, but we've been in this whole channel here, right? So I'm kind of interested to see what dollar wants to bring because I do see it going up this year. But now seeing that we have this possible liquidity run phase that may happen, we took the highs. We might start taking the lows out. But I kind of want to just be more cautious of dollar for sure before I even say that. So I don't want to say too much about this whole liquidity possible phase might happen, but I do want to say for sure that on a lower scale we are going to go down, right? Because this is too much right here, too much selling pressure. This is not enough buying pressure. If we were to put this 5 minute up against this, it's still not enough. So yeah. Dollar is still, or gold is still dropping. Nasdaq's definitely, well, it's not dropping anymore, but we got so much momentum, man. Oh my gosh. How much do I trade in a normal day? Sometimes on my lives, I would do probably like 2 trades max. That's usually what I started noticing. My average is every time I trade live. But overall, probably be like 4 or 5 trades a day. I used to trade crazy, man. But just like I said, I don't trade as much as I used to. Y'all see that GU's going back up. I am looking on a long-term sell for GU. We got to focus in a moment. I talk about this all the time, guys. One thing though, oh wow, hold on, hold up. One thing that I just noticed. One thing I just noticed, guys. Is we got a lot of money going on right here. And I know, if y'all know me, I talk about this all the time. When I see equal lows and equal highs, I don't look at it as support and resistance. I look at it as money, right? Y'all also know liquidity, right? Notice how we have equal, and equal. This to banks is millions to trillions, millions to billions of dollars right now. So before they actually head down, I'm telling you guys, they not. Well, this is actually what's going to happen. Let me, hold on. This is why I love how we have to understand we got to readjust with market. This is what I call the true liquidity grab. Like, they took the money for sure. Aggressive move. Look at all of this equal lows. A lot of y'all call this support, so a lot of people would trade this and think the market's going up, and this is why retail traders get stopped out a lot. But what I'm saying is, what actually happened is they're going to take that, guys. I want y'all to think of it differently. They're taking the money right now because of the simple fact they know there's a lot of resting orders here, pending orders, a lot of orders that you guys put in from, hey, I believe it's going to be in buyer's market, so my stop loss is going to be 10-20 pip, because you might have this 10-20 pip rule or whatever, or you're only risking 5 to 10%, so your stop loss is here. Banks know they created this pool purposely for y'all to get trapped in, for us to get trapped in. But I'm telling you guys, they want this, so they're going to take it out, and this is known as a stop hunt, a sell stop, whatever you guys want to call it. But all it really is just them taking the money, because they know there's a lot of orders right here. They created this pool, and when they created this pool, a lot of y'all got in it. So the key to this is to wait. Instead of you selling, putting an order here, wait, because now how I see it is that they got the exact same thing happening here. So liquidity grab 100%. So that being said, I am now looking on market to literally come and take these highs out. So I'll be honest with you, my bias for GU is up, but before I even say it's going to go up, we're still going to go down for sure. It's just a matter of, let's see, really it's just a matter of when, and that's it. But I do see GU heading down to take some of these lows out and to fulfill this range right here. This is all liquidity grabs for sure, guys. It's going to do it going up because they know there's money up here. They want it. They need it. They need it. Somebody said accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Yes, that is 100% correct. It is accumulating to manipulate people and distribute the money out. That's basically what's going on. And I like to call that, to break it down, liquidity phase, to make it simple for everybody. So that being said, we're waiting patiently. We're still waiting on euro. This isn't enough selling power. We're still waiting on all the yen pairs to go down, though. I am waiting on these yen pairs to shoot. We're starting to see momentum, which is beautiful. But actually, I like this one a lot. I do like this one a lot. So this is an entry for me. If I maybe, let's see, hold on, I might be speaking too soon. Let me see. I do see that we finally have the momentum happening now. Yeah, I need to see a pullback. I need to see another pullback. I need to see another pullback, regardless if it pulls here or when it comes down. I just need to see another pullback, and then I'm gonna be in it for sure. But we took the lows out first, and now we took the highs out. This is what I talk about liquidity. This is how I see GUs doing the same thing. This is what I'm referring to, guys. This is liquidity phase. This is known as whack off, accumulation, distribution, manipulation, all that stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna be waiting on a pullback so I can get in a good entry with a good stop loss. And I'm in euro yen. So we're just gonna have to be patient, y'all. Waiting on this one. Once again, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. And let's get this up to 500 likes, everybody that's tapped in here. Everybody that's tapped in here, let's get this to 500 likes. Yeah, euro is the only one that's giving us some momentum right now. Is this? No, this is euro right there, watermark right there, brother. You said, is Binance good for trading, or should I use something else? That's crazy that I knew that you said that was something else. Yeah. Binance is good. I like Binance. If you're trying to trade crypto only, yep. All right, so I want to confirm my range. So I know that this is my top point of a range. We need to confirm the low part of this range so I can figure out my midpoint and my extreme. I don't see it yet. Let it create a high first. Let it break through. Then that will confirm this is the end point of the range. And then I'm going to put an alert on my midpoint and extreme. Right now, it's still creating its lowest range. The lows off the range. I would love to see it come here, because that would give me a nice little stop loss. Because we really don't have any lows except for this one right here. We got little lows, but I'm looking at this one. Given the time that it is, I feel like this is what's going to happen. We're going to see some consolidation, drop, and then possibly drop, and then maybe up. Once again, I do appreciate everybody that is showing support by liking the video. That is the only support that I ask for when I do lives. I don't ask for you guys to do anything else, but just make sure you like the video. Just show appreciation. So I know we got about 500 y'all that liked it. And I definitely appreciate all of y'all for showing the likes, man. Y'all know I'm consistent, just staying consistent by streaming as much as I can, willingly. How much is enough to start? Man, you can start with $10, bro. It does not matter. Honestly, that's the beauty of leverage trading. Don't matter how much you can start. I seen somebody grow a $10,000 account to 10K in a month. It's on YouTube. I was like, what the fuck? So I can't. You can start off with anything, man. I don't know how much they risk. They over risk their account, but I'm just saying, anything's possible. You just gotta make it mentally possible. $10 to 10K. I was like, gosh, Lee. I mean, I seen it in my end what I was able to do my second year trading. Ooh, this looks so good right here. I don't have time. Let me see. I don't really like this one. Nah, this ain't satisfying me enough. That don't satisfy me enough. Thing about me when it comes to trading is that this is really the low right here, because I'm looking at a smaller scale. This is my low. This is also low, but this is my low, and this is not even a 1-on-1 from here to here, and that's just a shitty entry for me. Shitty position. Sorry, not an entry. Shitty position. But I see where you going, GU. I see what you got going on. I'm gonna still wait on a better entry. That's not it. Definitely not it. Like I said, guys, so we got a high that just formed here. I want to see if it can break out of that. I'm going on 1 minute. Y'all can see it better. And then that kind of confirms what's going on with this one. Back testing to go 1 minute. Scalping POI files 1 to 2 before. Same. All right, here, and this is the momentum that I'm saying now. This is where we start looking for the sells. Now I just want a better position for both of these. Sheesh, if I can get it. I'm telling you guys, I could definitely see it coming here. They gonna want that. All right, so GJ is giving me my trade. This is the nice 1-on-1 from here to here. See, I kind of want to. Here we go. I can even get in a 30-second entry now. Let me see. Oh yeah, I will get a way better entry if I do 30 seconds. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do. Well, I need a pullback now. I need a pullback now. I need a pullback now. Let me see if I can get a 1 or 2. I can't get it off that. We got a lot of weird levels going on here. I want to see if we can go straight to that right down there. All right, cool. So yeah, 30-second entry. I'm gonna look for my yen pair with this one. I'm gonna see if I can put an alert right here. I was gonna take an entry, a 1 lot size entry from the 2 minute aspect, but we already dropped. It just took off, so I ain't got no choice but to wait. Otherwise, I'm not gonna like this position if I take a sell now. So that's why I'm gonna wait. So I got an alert though, just in case. I'm gonna actually add it right here with this starting wick right there. And this one I still gotta wait on the pullback. You said sometimes I feel like this can't be real, making so much money with this, or someone's working all month for the amount that you can make with one trade down. I know, right? For real. But you can lose it all too. You know, it's just all about mental, man. How you go about it. You can talk negative about trading, and you will be negative as far as your account. Cause I'll be like, yeah, you know, you can make so much money, and you got somebody come out of nowhere and be like, yeah, but you can lose it all too. Like, don't you ever think of that? Losing all your money? Like, yeah, obviously that's why you shouldn't be trading. Yeah, mine's is different. I don't have the red and the green, or the red. What is it? Red and green? Yeah, the blue is going down. The gray is red. I trade with my money. I do funded accounts. Like I said, I just feel like I'm always being watched. Does that make sense? Like, I feel like if I was to work at a banker, I just feel like the manager is always over my shoulder. And not only that, but I feel like I don't have too much flexibility as I would with a personal account. But funded accounts is really good. And don't get me wrong, it just depends on what type of person you are. Funded accounts is not for everybody, as it is for some people. It's up to you guys. Just don't knock nobody off if somebody does trade funded or somebody trades personal. That's one thing I hate when people do. But like, oh, you should trade funded because, or somebody be like, oh, you should trade personal because, like, nah, everybody's different. Whatever works and floats your boat, cool. Damn, can we? Yeah, we got to get in here in order for me to take this trade. Guys, this is why I like trading live a little bit, because I'm focused right now. Like, all I got on my screen is charts, and when I'm like trading by myself, I'm like either on my couch watching TV while I'm looking at the charts, or I got podcasts going, I got this going, that going. I'm focused right now. Focus. This is the 1 minute time frame. Right there, watermark right there, and you see a highlighter right here. By the way, if Chart Prime can print out, also give me some. It gave me 1, 2, 3. What? Wow, 1, 2, 3. It gave me. I was looking at that. It gave me 1, 2. If it can give me another print, that's what I mean by, hey, sell, sell, sell. I am waiting on it to pull back to possibly look for another entry, better entry. Waiting on these euro trade too. My possible entry point is where it's at right now. Where it's at right now. But I'm not gonna sell it just because it came to there. He said people are not listening. Yeah, no, I know people don't listen, man. Somebody said, didn't take this trade. I already have my trade limit, so don't want to overtrade. There you go. That is how you handle your fucking discipline. And if you can stay like that, brother, I promise you, watch. Long term, you're going to be profitable. Just think long term, man. You're going to be profitable. We all think short term too much. Like, people be like, oh my gosh, you took an L. You suck. Like, yeah, I can tell you short term. Like, if you look at the, you got to look at everything overall. My limit for me is 2 L's straight. I'm out. See, it came in there, but now it wants to create it out of it. This is cool. Definitely wanted to create my momentum inside my gray box. I am not in anything right now.
Anytime you wanna talk, do you know I gotta listen? Rock with the way you loyal. Baby straight from the town, yeah, I met her in the soil.
Guys, let's see, we got a lot of people tapped in. Wow, this is beautiful. I need everybody here. Go ahead and drop the like button, everybody. So if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and drop the like button. And also make sure you join the Discord, guys. I have a free Discord if you guys want to tap in. Make sure everybody that is tapped in, go ahead and join the community. Okay, momentum getting there. But damn, man, I gotta adjust my stop loss now. Let me see. I wanted this to happen in here, not out. All right, guys. So I'm gonna get in one trade, and then I'm gonna get in another trade. If I'm only doing one trade right now, I'm gonna get in another trade if my alert smashes around here with momentum, more momentum. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. And yeah, guys, we're just gonna see what's up with this one. Hold on. Hold up. Let me. Time is it? It's 10.
You ain't hit my phone up, hold on, come to my house. Quarter ounce of cookies, got me one with my couch. Made my own lane, they can't come for my route. You catch me running up them digits, hold not running my
Yeah, DJ is definitely so. It's just the whole liquidity phase, man. It's all whack out right here. Also, my chart prime did print it out oversold. It also did a ribbon. Oh my gosh, I cannot even think straight, guys. It's printed out oversold. Also, I got a red dot telling me that the momentum is starting to be strong for sellers, and everything's coming out right. So this is another confluence for those that does use chart prime. So yeah, I'm definitely in this one, man, for sure. I want to get another trade, but it has to come back to my alert. Right now, I'm only in one trade right now. Oh, wait. Y'all can't see. So I'm in just this one trade right now. Let me add my here we go. I had to add my TP. All right, cool. Yes, I always look at higher time frames to do my overall analysis. I never look at the lower time frames to do overall analysis. I just don't stick on a higher time frame. All I need to see on a higher time frame is the overall direction. Is it in a liquidity phase right now, so I don't get caught up when I go on a lower scale and all of that stuff. I use bro, what editing software do you use to add, well, what videos editing software I'm using? I use OBS, and I use Premiere, Adobe Premiere. Yeah, I am in GJ as well. I'm, like I said, I'm in one trade right now though. Hugo's way is not regulated. I mean, Hugo F. I don't know actually. I think you said Hugo F. I don't think they're regulated. You said put my position on the screen, bro. No, I don't. I can't look at the trade when I'm in a trade. This is the trade I get in. I'm telling you guys. I say this all the time on my streams. I'm still human, and I've still been trading for this long, and I say what I say, but I still cannot look at a trade when I'm in it. I glance at it, see where it's at, and that's it. But I cannot sit here like this. I just can't. That's just how I am. But this is my trade that I took right here, though. My entry was a little different, but I'm hoping that we can still get another entry. If so, definitely will. No, I'm not Alex. Train myself to look at it. Nope. Everybody's different, and I'm telling you right now, I just can't look at it. I have my discipline very set, and I do can actually still sit here and say, all right, cool. But at the end of the day, it's just who I am. Literally, that's just how I am. Hasn't it been good so far, bro? Yeah, it's been real good to me so far. Absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah, ain't no shame to admit that you can't look at a trade. There's nothing wrong with that, y'all. I'm trying to tell you guys that. You don't have to look at a trade. If you already got your stuff set up, you good. If somebody tells you have to, just look at them and be like, why? Just literally ask them why. What's going on, honey? How you doing? Why did I take this trade? So I mentioned it earlier. Whack off is doing a whole whack off. We came into the midpoint. Yeah, I explained it earlier. All right, so I see we coming to my alert. Perfect. So I'm about to be looking for another entry. I'm gonna remove it now because it's already there. This is my midpoint. Definitely be looking for another entry once I see the momentum is strong. I gotta tell you guys too, for those that's new, subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you haven't already, join our Discord. It is free right now. We do have a free section as well. You said, Brian, right. Just place a bid, then go live your life. Exactly. You know, yeah, exactly. Where did I learn all this? A lot of self-taught and a lot of really one book. That was Wave Principle and a lot of just Google and just really self-taught. Sorry, Beast, what's up? What's up? What's going on? I appreciate you, Patrick, for subscribing. You said why, what? I don't even remember. What are you talking about? Why for? Why I don't look at the trade? Or why for something else? Ooh, look at that momentum. 5 years now. Oh, wait. A lot of self-talk, honestly. All right, I'm getting in again. Golly, why does it always spike like that? I want to get in again, but I gotta wait on another pullback. That spike just hit too quick. I was ready to do it again. If this goes in my favor, this is 800. I want another trade so I can do TP2, which will probably be about another 800, about 2,000 almost. When I do walk away from my computer, though, I do add my stop loss. Yeah, I got a standard 20K account, man. Or lot sizes depends on your risk. Depends on your risk, guys. I'm trying to tell you, don't ask about lot sizes. Ask how much should I risk. You gotta know your risk. It's not about your lot size. It's about your risk, man. Yeah, I usually take 3 trades. Mainly it's 2 though for me. I realize. I appreciate it, Nick. Sometimes it be like that. You said 70% win ratio, 80 trades. It's crazy. I'm trying to tell you, man. It is. I'm a scalper, so there's a lot more trading that I do. Guys, can somebody tell me what is the my actual win ratio right now? You said what's the song? Damn, I can't. I gotta find it. I gotta find it, guys. Sorry. Can somebody tell me what our win ratio is right now? Usually the average, like honestly, guys, anything profitable is really 50 and above. But I mean, you could still, I'm gonna be honest, you could still see profit under 50. It's just you probably did some over risking or you wasn't consistent. But anything from a 70% and above is really, really good, guys. I'm telling you that right now. That's actually over the 3% of a trader, of a successful trader. Telling you guys that right now. Anything over 70%, if you can stay 70%, literally. All right, guys, y'all give me different numbers. I need y'all to be consistent. I got 80, 24, 76, 77, 75, live 68, 70, 68 live. Okay, so 68 for live. And then 70 overall. I don't know. 77, I don't know. I will check it out. I'll do the math, but I'm focused. Damn, another trade would have been nice. 2 trades right now would have been super nice. Are you on Telegram? I only got a Discord. Only got a Discord. All right, guys, I need everybody to do me one huge favor. See, we got a lot of y'all tapped in. A lot of y'all probably see what I'm in right now. I need everybody here. Let's get the likes up. Let's all go ahead and hit that 800 likes. If you guys are new to my channel, if you haven't liked my video yet, I need all of y'all to go ahead and drop in and go ahead and smash that like button. Get it to 800 likes. If you cannot join a mentorship to YouTube, just go on the description down below and you can do it that way. Crazy math y'all doing. Somebody said it, this 76.92 overall, 75.64 overall. I see it's 68 live, but overall is 70 something. The overall, by the way, guys, if you don't know what that is, that's when I actually do call out trades outside of me trading live. Damn, that first trade we took gave us that 68. Overall, like I said, last year I did about 70% overall when I looked at it, but I'm trying to do better this year. Okay, somebody said now the lies are 75% and the overall 76. I can't figure this out. Y'all are confusing me. At this point, I'm gonna just find out myself. So many people telling me so much stuff. I have no idea what's what. Y'all said 68. Now somebody's saying 7. King O'Neil, 75% live. Thank you. 0% this year. Live is 69. I want to know how y'all doing the math. That's a great thing. Why do I not just use a tracker on Excel? I think I have to do that. Yes, I appreciate that. I should do that. Okay. Yeah, I appreciate it. I was gonna create one. I can create one. Man, I love it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to create me a spreadsheet. I'm gonna do that. Because at this point, I'm getting so many different numbers. Yeah, this one pulled and it ain't giving me nothing. I mean, this one just dropped. Nah, that's what I was gonna do. I was gonna do all that, but I didn't want to do that while I was live. I was going to just search it, win ratio calculator, and just do it. But I'm gonna create a spreadsheet when I get the time to. If somebody has one, they can create. If somebody can create one for me, that's branded solo network. Can somebody DM me on Discord, please? I will be happy to pay you guys. But it's gotta be. Y'all can't be stealing it from some other trader. Y'all can't steal it from somebody else. It's got to be fresh and authentic. If somebody is really good with Excel, DM me right now, only on Discord. Not Instagram, none. Discord. DM me right now. I would be willing to pay. I just want to make sure I can do what I want, but DM me right now. If you are a professional at Excel. Oh my God. Ain't no way. Hold up. Oh, I was about to say, ain't no way. Liquidity phase full in effect. About to hit the first TP for the year. I know, right? We hit our first stop loss for the year. We need to hit the first TP. I did not trade NASDAQ today, no. Oh, hold up. Nah, that's not a true liquidity phase right there. TP means take profit, yes. When do I start trading? Like 8:15. I start trading at 7 a.m. Central Time every day. I just don't go live until like 8:15 or like 9:15, depending on if I got to take my kid to school. 5 years is how long I've been trading. How long I stream? Usually I do about, I don't know, 2-3 hours, depending on my mood, depending on how many people like the video. Hint, hint. I bet a lot of y'all love me, but then a lot of y'all probably hate me.
No exaggeration, the difference be in the detail. I get it for the factory, flipping it for the retail.
What do you mean I don't have it? Oh, you talking about my notes? Actually, I don't. Thank you.
So I inhale the pedals I wasn't smelling before.
Let me
Face to face with accountability, I dust off my due
hold up.
diligence.
Put my notes in.
My life becomes a diagram of my internal dialogue. This the diaspora diatribe they couldn't dilute. I died and rose a god, so I'm no longer minute. I came off my street a fighter, akin to Ken and Ryu, so I can't be a sucker and I won't even try to. It's not that deep, it's just dead for you to put it simply. Cause you so full of shit that it left you empty. When they cry for attention, I crept through gently talking that.
I'm from Detroit, born and raised,
I want a 5% black
but moved to the Chicago area.
and I'm bringing my morals with me. That's the best new entry.
So I'm definitely a Midwest boy.
I believe in myself. My body is a gift and I love it. My courage is stronger than
I hate spreads on brokers. Yeah, that's one other way how they make money.
of God made
Another way they make money is also by
continuously.
taking your money, by manipulating you, because brokers could do a little manipulation. That's really what the spreads though.
Ancestors be with us.
Quick scout risk 10%. Nice, nice. Yeah, I am. Especially finding brokers. You said what is? Huh? Oh, what is that? Ike? Oh, this is Chart Prime. I think you talking about Chart Prime. This is our Chart Prime. This is called the candlestick pattern indicator. Yeah, well, we coming close to my TP. Let's see where we look at my broker. Yeah, we like there with my broker. Telling you guys, they want these lows because they know what's up right here. They know what's up, man. They know what's up. My Discord name is Solo Network. Guys, if you are really good with Excel, DM me on Discord. I think a couple of y'all already did. DM me on Discord. I need somebody to create a really dope Excel for me.
Two braids like a Cherokee. So much that I might need a parody. Smoke dope and I might need therapy. I be flying in a young parakeet. Apparently, these don't know who I be. Last time I came to
If you don't know what that is, then don't even DM me, Matthew. But it's Excel. Damn, you got me confused. Like, am I saying Excel right? You know what? I'm pretty sure you if you never heard of it, it's just wow, bro. I don't even know how to explain it. That's crazy. But I know exactly what it is. It does a lot of automation for you within a spreadsheet. That's all I can say. It's basically just a spreadsheet. That's what I'm saying. I'm like, damn, I can't even explain it. I just realized that. All I can think of is automated spreadsheet. It does automated, I don't know. Does calculations, yeah. Yeah, guys. By the way, yeah, you gotta know Excel, but also Google Excel because I want it to be through Google Docs. But I'm pretty sure if you know Excel, you know how to operate Google Docs. They all the same. I believe Google Docs just seems a little simplified. I think you got a new midpoint on GJ. Do I? Yes, I do. Right here. Definitely a re-entry for sure for some people.
I'm up, I still hustle.
Bro, can you again enter this trade? Yeah, you can definitely enter in the trade again. Just wait for it to come into like a midpoint or extreme. Somebody said guess. Man, guess my age. What currency is this? The one that we're in right now is GJ. Dollar is doing his drop now. Gold is got to be going up soon. All of these right here. Where I consider re-entry right here at this midpoint, so roughly around possibly 156, that 828 possibly, but I don't just sell it because it came there. I gotta still see the momentum telling me, but around there is where I was consider another re-entry. Honestly, bro, I use my own strategy because I just mixed up a bunch of shit together and just made it basic for me. How old are you? I'm gonna let y'all keep figuring that out. I say it all the time though in a lot of my older streams. Guys, GU, I don't know if anybody's we definitely is dropping with GU. GU is definitely dropping. Euro looking on it to drop too. Even though I'm not looking at it on here. I do have it on my no, not Euro. Yeah, I do. No, Alt USD. Alt USD, all of those are dropping for sure. And that's just really because dollar. I'm just looking at dollar right now. Dollar's been going up, so I know all of those other ones has been dropping for sure. For sure. Brian, you said you actually gave the math on all of it, huh? 76.90% overall. Got you. Dollar's got to drop, but it could still spike, but I don't see that. I just see it dropping soon. Do I have more investments? Absolutely. I am investing to a lot, man. I talk about it too all the time. I just started a production company. I kind of already had our own production, but I really started official production company. By the way, guys, I need everybody to do me a favor. Make sure you guys follow my production company on Instagram. Just started it. Got a Peerspace unit right now. Got on Peerspace right now. But yeah. I got a shoe line. Of course, I'm investing into some stocks, not a lot. Yeah, those are really my. I got a lot of other things too. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Just started a car rental business, so. I'm trying to get this passive money, 6-figure passive money. this trading is not passive money. So eventually I'm gonna start my own broker. It's actually what me and my homie was talking about. Eventually I'm gonna start my own broker, guys. That's passive money. Where do we buy gold again? There's so many apps you can buy gold now. They made it so simple. I definitely recommend everybody buy gold. Buy some gold. I'm not entering again. I like to keep my entries all the same. But if I was coming in the market later, I would have probably looked for entry again. I just like to keep all mines the same. Discord, brother, is literally up there. What's your Discord? Oh, never mind. My bad. I read that wrong. I thought you said what is. My Discord is Solo Network. I see a lot of y'all message me. Somebody messaged me I want a new, fresh. I was saying I want a new, fresh, like, look for an Excel sheet. Oh, guys, we about to come to this TP soon. I'm trying to see if we can smash TP. All right, guys. So since I'm super close to my TP with my broker, I know how they are. I know how a lot of brokers are. I'm gonna be getting out soon. Waiting, just waiting, just waiting, just waiting. I remember I was literally looking at one of my trades, and it literally was like 5 pips from my TP, and it never took me out. I'm like, what the heck? And I was like, it's crazy because I tried so many brokers, and every broker does it. Every broker does it. It's what they like to call their spreads. So I got out the trade, guys. I will be riding another trade, but unfortunately, y'all obviously, if y'all were tapped in, y'all seen why I didn't. $700 off this. This is why I like scalping. A lot of people say, oh, don't scalp, but this is why I like scalping. I guess we somewhat made some money back off the 2 L's. Really, it's 1 L because I took 2 trades. Still risking no more than wow, they didn't even risk 10% on my account, honestly. So that's the beauty of risking, knowing your risk. But yeah, guys, I don't know if anybody made profit. If y'all got in the trade too with me, that's what's up. But yeah, this is beautiful. All right, so now I can change my 81. So if anybody, this is what I do. I get in multiple trades for a reason. So like right now, I would have took my TP1 with that first trade, and then that second trade, this is when I move my stop loss and take it to TP2. Risk free. Literally, risk free. That's when I make this trade risk free. And if the trade goes against me, guess what? I still made $700. But if it goes in my favor, I would probably make an additional $1,000. So this is why this is how my account literally went from that $4,000 to where it's at now so rapidly, because this is what I was consistently doing, consistently doing. Everybody got their own way of trying to compound their account. I don't care. Just make sure it's consistent and make it make sense. That's it. Because there's so many ways that you guys can go about risk free. A lot of guys, or a lot of gents and everyone, they will enter a trade, make it risk free once it goes 50% in, and then smash TP1, they out. It's the same shit. It's nothing different. Just make it make sense. I had somebody comment to me and be like, "Oh, you should do this. What you're doing doesn't make sense." Or they didn't say it didn't make sense. Oh, what you're doing is wrong. Like, no, it's not wrong. It's just wrong to you because it don't make sense to you. But what you broke down to me, I could say the exact same thing, but I know if it makes sense for you, it makes sense. All right, that's all that matters. Please stop spamming my chat with your USD I do not trade USD I'm just putting this here, even though it's not accurate for me. I'm just letting you guys know, because I know a lot of y'all probably working. Y'all can't really hear me. So I'm just typing in what I said. TP1 smash currently selling GJ to TP2 risk free. Risk free. There is nothing going on with gold, brother. Nothing going on with gold. Nothing going on with NASDAQ. It's only my yen pairs that's giving me everything that I see right now. You guys see this equal lows is being created? I'm telling you, man, this is what they do. And this is why support and resistance work sometimes, because you guys see, oh, it hit my support level, I'm gonna buy it. All right, yeah, you could buy it, but then you try it again and you realize, damn, why does this not work? And you know, a lot of people, this is where a lot of people get to try to look for other strategies. But I'm telling you guys, skill is everything, of course, knowledge. But what I'm really saying is this is just liquidity, y'all. The more that it taps into this area, because a lot of people will say, oh, this is a major key level, so they want to buy it or sell it off a major key level now. I'm like, nah, bro, it's not really that necessarily. What it is the more they keep coming here, the better it is for them to really take it out. So I'll use that against me. What is my duration of a trade? I don't know, man. I really don't know. I have to really, like, an hour usually. I don't even look at it like that, because I can't control that. But I mean, average, I guess, an 30 minutes, 15 minutes. All right, I gotta ban my mans, because I had told we can't do the spamming. Yeah, whenever it hits the TP is the duration. That's real facts, to be honest. I don't ever look at market like that. I don't want to be like, that's what I'm trying to tell people. Like, I don't want to look at me, oh, what's your average that you make per day? I don't like looking at that, because I feel like if I tell you guys, I'm telling myself that, oh shit, I'm setting myself up. You know, like, I got to make $1,000 a day. I got to make $2,000 a day. Nah. I'm just trying to take casually trades. My rule is if I take 2 losing L's, I'm done. That's it. I feel like if we say it like that, we're calming ourselves in a way where we ain't got to worry about, like, oh, I got to get this, I got to get that. Yeah, don't focus on that. Just focus on your rules. If I hit 2 L's, I'm done. I usually look for 3 to 5 trades a day. That's really it. And that's really what it is. And I don't risk no more than 10%. Anything and everything else I leave open, because I don't want to be too stuck on, like, I gotta make 1,000, or I need to be in this trade for an hour, and if I'm in this trade too long, I'm gonna exit out. I'm gonna just exit out. Nah, whenever it hits my stop loss or my TP, that's when I'm out. Solo, you check your indicator. I don't know. I don't use that indicator. I only use RSI chart primes. Those are the only 2 indicators I've used. How do I handle my psychology with 10% risk? I feel like one thing about psychology is it does come with failure. And that's one thing that I say no trader can't teach. One thing I tell you guys that can help you with your psychology is creating a trading plan. But I always tell people to actually start trading live and stop trading demo. Demo's only going to teach you so much, and that's really just like knowing how market moves, but it's not going to teach you what's really important, and that's psychology. So I suggest, I know this sounds fucked up, but if all you guys have is $100 to risk, literally, if all you have is $100, put that in your account. If all you got is $10 to risk, put that in your account. And I want you to go through those stages of failing. You have to. That's the only way you're going to be like, damn, I'm tired. Y'all know failure leads to success. And that's fucking facts. So I feel like I got to a point where, bro, I spent over 140K in trading within 5 years, or really within 4 years. And I just got tired. And I'm just like, bro, I'm tired of losing this. And I really need to want this. And then I remember when I first started trading on a funded account, I failed 3 or 2 times in order to seek success. And I was like, bro, I'm tired of spending. I was putting thousands. I was doing, I think, the $1,000 or $1,200 with FTMO, the 200K account. Bro, I failed that 3 times or 2 times. I can't remember. And I was tired of losing $1,000. I just got tired. So I was just like, I need to do something. So I literally understood what risk was off of that, wrote down my plan, and from there, everything changed. So I just feel like psychology comes from failing. You guys gotta fail, unfortunately. I know it's real, but you got to. It's just like when y'all, I'm let me not, cause I got the most bad analogies ever. Let me not say that. I'm gonna keep quiet right now. Hey chat, can I start with Forex with $200, $300? You absolutely can. That's what I used to always start off with. Can you start with $15 on Hanko Trade? Yes, you can start off with $10. GJ is still coming to the midpoint. This is the midpoint. This is the midpoint right here. This is the range, the high and the low of the range. Right there is the midpoint. Hold on, guys. I gotta take this call. All right, guys. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna be ending today's session. I actually got to do something, but guys, so far we caught the W. If anybody's still in this trade, stay in this trade risk free. I'm still looking on it coming to TP2. Unfortunately, I couldn't get in a second trade, but make sure you're in this trade for sure. And guys, make sure you join the Discord if you haven't already. Make sure you tap into the Discord, guys, because like I said, we drop a lot of fire gems on there too. But other than that, man, I am out, guys, and I will see all of you tomorrow at the same time. Everybody, peace. Take care.